In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to register KRA PIN with no obligation. First, open your KRA iTax portal. Then go to New PIN Registration. Click. It will guide you. It will take you to e-registration platform. There you have taxpayer type and mode of registration. You select the taxpayer type and the mode of registration. Then, do you want to register for a PIN with no obligation? In this case, you select yes. There you have an obligation information notification. Read and confirm, then close. Then click next. Then there you have a confirmation notification. Kindly confirm you want to register for a PIN with no obligation. Click OK and proceed. Then it takes you to a basic information dashboard. You can register different KRA PIN depending on your citizenship. There is the Kenyan, the non-Kenyan resident, and non-Kenyan non-resident. In this case, we will go with Kenyan resident, option 1. And then we have the employees profession section. We have the major group, subgroup, and minor group. Under major group, we are going to select different categories of professions. We have senior government official, professional service workers, transport, craft and related trades workers, plant and machine operators and fisheries workers, agriculture, mining, construction, manufacturing, and student. For the illustration purpose, we are going to select students. Under subgroup, we are going to have PhD, master's, postgraduate, degree, higher diploma, in this case, and certificate. In this case, we select degree. And under minor group, we are going to select the duration, 4 to 6 years. Then the next section is under national ID details. We are going to type our ID number and select the date of birth as per the ID. Then under individual data, it's going to autofill. Then the next section is the principal physical address, where we are required to indicate the street stroke road name, city stroke town, name of the building, county, district, and the tax area locality. All the areas marked with star are mandatory. We are required to fill them. So in this case, we are going to use Nairobi as our county for illustration purpose. Under the district, we are going to select the Dagoretti district. Then you are supposed to type in the name of the building. Then the tax service office is going to autofill, and the tax area locality. Then the next section is the principal postal address. In this case, we are going to work with the Nairobi GPO, which is 00100. And then, of course, you type in your postal address, PO box. The next is the principal contact details. The area marked with star is mandatory. The mobile number 1 and the main email address are mandatory, so you fill that. Then also you give a reason for application of the PIN. In this case, is to apply for HELB loan, and open bank account. Then under data privacy, we are going to check I understand, then upload your supporting document, then do the security arithmetics and submit. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.